This is the service elevator at Receiving Area 2, King of Prussia Mall. This one was in Montgomery with EPCO's Circle Line, but it has been modernized by MCE around the same time Wanamaker's was demolished. Let's see if it still has wall padding. Oh, God. Yeah, it does. It's had an all-wood cab at one point. There's Receiving Area 2. And it does park down here. That didn't work. Yeah, this has been padded ever since this was replaced and modernized. No stop switch, I just realized that. This still has a 4,000 pound capacity. You would think it'd be increased because the cab is a little bigger, I think. Go ahead and ring it. And they're playing music back here, so hopefully I won't get a strike from this. There it goes. Hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.